Joining us on Zoom, we have Lloyd, Ember, and Cora, and we're talking about a campaign that might be popping up in your social media feed, and you're wondering what's it all about. So, Ember, start off by telling us about your youth-led organization and the campaign that you launched.
Hi, good morning. Beluga Strong, it's a Crow mentoring program on the Crow Indian Reservation in Montana. More mentoring than anything, but due to COVID, we kind of went into hyperdrive with our social services programs, delivering care boxes and supplies to families in quarantine and those affected by COVID.
All right, and Cora, you're with We Are Montana, and you guys decided to support this cause. Tell us why that is.
Yeah, I have a background in public health, working with rural and native communities around the world, and I worked on Ebola in 2014. And one of the things that we learned really clearly in that work was that the most effective organizations were those that were really on the ground, speaking, trusted voices on the ground that were speaking to people directly about the challenges and safety measures that needed to be followed in order to stay safe. And so one of the first things I did when COVID struck Montana was really try to look and find some strong locally led organizations to support.
And Lloyd, do you want to shed some light on I mentioned social media, some of the pictures that we might be seeing popping up and how you guys maybe came up with that idea and how it really drives the message home?
Well, the youth is the biggest thing on the reservation, and the younger ones would like to see, the younger ones see their heroes. And we picked some outstanding athletes to do this mass drive. And when the little ones see that their heroes are wearing masks, they will also wear masks when they go around in the stores or out in public. So we push that really hard to use their heroes around here.
And I love that it's local. The images, I mean, are just stunning too. Just the variety and you know, we're hearing the numbers on the news. We're seeing the numbers, but I mean, COVID is something much more than just the numbers. Obviously, in Bighorn County and in Crow Country. So, what's that like? I mean, paint us a picture of what you guys are seeing happening right now within your own community.
We're seeing the numbers, they're spiking right now. It's due to a number of causes. Our housing crisis, we don't have enough houses for the population, so we're having multi-generational families under the same roof. That contributes to the spread. Some of the houses don't have water or don't have good access to good water, and some houses don't have electricity. In addition to that, we live in a food and supply desert. Everything that comes onto the reservation comes from an external source. So we're just glad that we have people like Cora and our back that have our back in this fight, because she's been bringing a lot of supplies, and as soon as she gets them to Beluga Strong, we get them out to the community. We almost have nothing in stock sometimes, but she's really good about getting them to us. So 8,000 plus masks went out from Beluga Strong from March until now, and we're still giving them out.
All right. Well, it's great to see all the effort you're putting in. It's definitely paying off, and looking out for each other. That's most important of all. Thank you, everyone, so much for joining us here on Montana This Morning. We really appreciate it, and have a good day.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you. We'll be right back after this break.